With more than 50 years' experience in the gas distribution industry, Performance Pipe is a name you can trust in gas distribution piping. We specialize in natural gas distribution, propane and liquid propane gas distribution, as well as yard gas products and fittings. To better serve you, Performance Pipe is now packaging its half-inch, 3/4-inch, and 1-inch coils of natural gas tubing in stretch-wrapped autocoils. Coil packaging has historically made use of inner banding, external banding, coil-to-coil banding, and banding of the silo to the shipping pallet. That's a lot of banding. With the autocoil, there's no banding. The coil integrity is maintained and controlled by the outer stretch wrapping. Inner banding is not needed as the pipe is uncoiled from the inside out rather than the reverse. There are many benefits to autocoiling, including improved silo integrity. In traditional banded packaging, coils are stacked vertically with the polyethylene pipe surfaces touching. Autocoiled packaging, where the pipe coil is encased in stretch wrap, offers a tacky surface which enables the vertical stack to be more stable. Another benefit is reduced surface damage. The autocoiled product is completely stretch wrapped. All outer surfaces of the coil are protected from the elements and accidental scrapes during transport from our facility to final job site installation. In addition, with minimal banding required, potential gouges or scrapes caused by the banding are eliminated. Autocoiling also reduces field scrap. Because the stretch wrap will contain the final few feet of tubing left in a coil, it ensures that there is no wasted tubing. This fact, coupled with coil configurations of less quantity, will reduce overall field scrap and yard waste during installation. Finally, the autocoils provide UV protection. Black stretch wrap is used to hold the coils on the pallet. This provides additional UV protection to the coils when they are stored outside until they are used. While there are many benefits of autocoiling, how does this packaging change affect you? When your natural gas tubing shipment arrives, it will be wrapped in black stretch wrap. Double-check the label to ensure you've received the appropriate product. You will unload the shipment as before, being careful to visually inspect for damage. Any tears or rips in the UV protectant wrap or the stretch wrap around the coils will serve as a potential indicator of possible damage. Please note any damage on the bill of lading. To access the individual coils, you will need to carefully cut the black stretch wrap without damaging the clear stretch wrap material holding the pipe coils together. Remove the black wrap using caution not to tip the pallet. You may then lift up on an individual coil and move it off the stack. Do not cut the clear stretch wrap, as the pipe may be difficult to work with outside of its intended packaging. When you are ready to install the natural gas tubing, there are two options. You may unroll the coil by hand, or you may unroll the coil using a spooling device. To unroll the coil by hand, you may pull the pipe end from the center and secure it. Then unroll the coil on the ground to achieve the desired length. Use an appropriate tool to cut the tubing, then place the end back inside the stretch-wrapped coil for future use. To unroll the pipe via spooling device, position the coil on the spool with the inside end to be pulled from underneath, matching the direction of the pipe coil. The coil is then free to rotate. Once the necessary length of pipe is reached, cut with the appropriate tool and tuck the pipe end back into the package. Now that the tubing is uncoiled, it may be installed per standard operating procedures. Let's review some key points for when your pipe arrives. Double-check the label to ensure that you have received the appropriate product. Visually inspect for damage. Any tears or rips in the black UV protectant stretch wrap can indicate potential damage. Carefully cut the black stretch wrap without damaging the clear stretch wrap material used on the individual coils. Do not remove the clear stretch wrap material. Lift up on the coil to move it off the stack. Load on a spool or unroll by hand to install. On behalf of everyone at Performance Pipe, thanks for your business.